IKEA. We're going to IKEA. Let's go.
We're going to IKEA.
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 We're here at IKEA Birmingham, where we're here to grab our student essentials for under £100. Can we do it?
I'm not sure we can.
Well, we're here to find out if we can. Let's go and grab a trolley. And yeah, let's go. Right, we need some pots and pans. So this one is a set of 3. So it also keeps to your portion sizes as well. So it's got a small one in there if you're only cooking for yourself, and a big one if you're cooking for the entire flat. Really useful.
I'm not doing that. Should we get a frying pan as well
for the Wow, look at these.
Amazing.
We need mugs.
We do.
And there's 3 of us in our flat, so 1 for each person.
That's amazing.
I'll have this one.
I'll have this one. Let's give this one
It's James.
to James.
Do you think we should get a throw each?
We should.
Why are they called a throw?
Because of that.
Cushions are perfect for your living room, aren't they? For your...
And your bed.
How soft are they, Josie?
Very soft. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Stick your head in it.
Joey,
These pillows are so comfy.
let's get to.
And I feel like they'll last a long time as well. They're pretty firm. Bath towels, everyone needs one, otherwise you're going to live a very damp life. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Me.
Should get one for your ego as well.
Josie, I need to go and grab some laundry stuff,
Yeah, you do.
because your mum's giving you loads of laundry stuff, isn't she? My mum doesn't love me, so I have to buy my own. I'll catch up with you later. Got one of these cool octopus things that hangs all of your pants and socks on to dry.
As a student, you'll definitely need a waste bin for all the tissues that you're crying on, all the snack wrappers and the old revision paper. Next thing I need for my room is a phone and tablet holder if you're like FaceTiming with your friends.
Josie!
Hello!
I've got all my laundry things going down.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I'm thinking about getting a lamp
For your all-nighters.
for my all-nighters for the times that I want to do a bit of studying in bed. We've reached the IKEA candle section, and Josie's going a bit
Can we get one of each?
like a loved up couple buying candles for our home. So we're here at the finish line.
How did it go?
I think it went all right. We've got
Right, it was
a whole trolley worth of stuff. Do you think we've managed to get it under £100?
I bet we did.
Well, the running total of what this trolley is worth is £96.
Amazing.
For all this stuff, all of your student essentials. We've got duvets, towels, a bin, clothes rack, clothes hangers, pillows. You name it, we've got it. And we managed to get it all for £96. So we've proven that you can do it. I'm getting a bit hungry.
So much.
Should we go and grab a hot dog?
Let's get a hot dog.
Yeah. Bye. We'll go pay. See you later. Bye.